Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes, let's cook together, okay guys? And please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now guys, I'm gonna make some callaloo and saltfish cook up. Yeah, and maybe I make 2 cornmeal dumpling or something like that. But let's cook up this bad boy. Now I have 2 pieces of saltfish or codfish. I rinse it off a few times and I put some water and I'm gonna just put that to boil. Okay, I'm gonna tip just a little bit of olive oil over here, about a teaspoon or 2, and a little bit of salt, about half teaspoon salt, and that's it. Now to my flour, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna put about a little bit of salt, half teaspoon. And now to that I'm gonna add about half cup of cornmeal, and that's it. So this is how you make Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. All right, so you need warm water, okay, warm as you can take it, and you want to mix a little bit first, you know, don't put all like one time. But if it's soft, you can just go ahead and add some more flour. Okay, want to make sure you check the date on your cornmeal, because sometimes guys the cornmeal not so fresh at all. Just a little tip there. And this is how you want it. Okay, make sure no weeble no in there. Oh, no weeble that, make sure guys. Okay. Alright, so this is how you want it, and I'm just gonna set this right here. I don't like to peel these because they get too soft, so I'm just gonna cut it and I'm gonna set it to boil. Let's just leave it in 2. And I have 1 ripe plantain. I'm just gonna cut this one in 2. All right, they wash already before I put them in the fridge, and I'm gonna put that in. Okay, I have Irish potato guys, but I'm not going down in the basement right now. We're gonna work with what we have here. I'm gonna cover this, let it simmer a little bit. Over here guys, my saltfish is boiled and I'm gonna strain off the water. All right my peeps, now look at that bubbling. Now we're gonna make our dumplings. Look at that, soft and nice. This is how I make mine guys. Okay, pinch off a little bit and you just make it in the palm of your hand. Guys, usually when you put 1 cup of flour, you get about 7 or 8 dumplings. I have 6 already, so 8 dumplings. See, this one should be a roll up. 7 dumpling, 7 or 8 dumpling, and a roll up. And always when you put your dumpling in your pot, give it a little stir. All right, so that's what I'm cooking. Okay, so we're gonna cover this back and let it cook. All right guys, pot bubbling. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin. 1, 2. All right my peeps, I thought it was recording, but see with me. All right, so here guys, I add all the vegetables, my tomatoes, my onions, my scallion, and my bell peppers, and I add 2 teaspoons of my garlic paste and 2 teaspoons of my all-purpose seasoning, green seasoning, and I'm gonna saute this up a little bit. Okay, easy as cheese guys. I'm not gonna let my vegetable overcook. Look at the goodness. This is just a basic thing guys. This is what you want to do when you're doing basically practically every kind of thing, vegetable, whatever you want, the base, the flavor. Okay, and I have my scotch bonnet pepper here, and I'm gonna put the 2 pieces there. I don't fry the pepper immediately guys, because oh god, when it starts fumes up in the house and burn out your eyeball. Oh, you ball like a baby. Now I have my can of Callaloo. Oh, if you're there Jamaica, you can get the fresh one from the street side or straight from the farm. Alright, into that I'm gonna add some of my all-purpose Maggi. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon. It's gonna give it the flavor, right? Because I rinse off the Callaloo, it has no flavor. And this is it, guys. Oh, I forget some black pepper. Can't forget the black pepper, guys. Put some black pepper. You can put a teaspoon or half, it's up to you. Just put some pepper. Guys, boy oh boy, me I laugh at myself right now, guys. You know, say me should have cook up the saltfish when me I fry up the vegetable them. Alright, guys? So me totally forget. Me just head straight with the vegetable. But anyhow, I'm still gonna add my saltfish. But when you're cooking up, guys, you can cook it either way. But usually I like to fry it up a little bit when me I fry up the vegetable them. But I'm just gonna leave it for a few minutes and fry it up, okay? And I'm gonna store my saltfish in there, guys. So you can do it either way. Once you cook, you can improvise, okay, guys? But I always fry it up with the vegetable. All right. Can you see the goodness here, guys? And I put a little bit more black pepper for the road. And that's it. My cook up Callaloo and saltfish. Yeah. Look at that, guys. And this is done right here, so guys. I'm gonna give it a minute more and I'm gonna turn off the stove. And over here, whoo, everything is bubbling. Almost done. When you know the dumpling cook, guys, everything start float to the pot top. Alright, the dumplings. And you know them ready. So dumpling them not ready yet. They want a few more minutes. I'm gonna give this about 5 more minutes. And I'm gonna serve up some. My Callaloo and saltfish is done. And I'm gonna turn the stove off. Look at the goodness, guys. Can you see that? All done. Alright, guys, that's done. And what I like to do, I like to just throw off a little bit of the excess water or pot soup. Alright, guys, me I go drink one little bit to belch the gas. Alright, so 2 dumplings. See how my dumpling them fluffy and nice, guys? Yeah, that's how I like it. And I'm gonna take 1 piece of potato. After, I'm gonna take it out of the skin when I'm eating it. And I'm gonna take 1 piece of plantain. I like to take this one out of the skin now though. Just like that. Set it here. Gonna give it a little mix. It's nice subtle, guys, very healthy. All right, take up some. We're gonna put it over here. So good. This is what I'm serving up for my dinner. Oh yeah. Oh. Guys, only thing I need some yam and some banana, but that's good. And this is it. This is my dinner. My cook up Callaloo with saltfish or codfish with some plantain, cornmeal dumpling, and they call this yam, guys, but sweet potato. All right, guys, that's it. Love upon me, and I love upon you. So good. All right, my peeps, I'm not lying. See, I'm gonna drink some of the pot soup. Oh yes. One almost say, boy, it's like a real country girl, you know. But anyhow, let me taste it for you. Take time, guys, cause it's hot. I'm burn out my throat. Oh my god. So good. Cut piece of the dumpling. Mm-hmm. 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 So good. I just like to take it out of it like that, guys. If you want, you can even crush it. Mm-hmm.